Hello grade 2 students, I hope you all are fine at your places. I am Priya Mishra from NLK group of schools and today we will continue the story which we have started on the last turn. The chapter which we have started on the last turn, the name of the chapter is A Smile. So before continuing the story further, let's see that what happened in the story till now. This story is basically about a tiger whose name was Augustus. One day he was very sad because he lost his smile. So he decided that he will go few of the places and he will try to find his smile. So he started and firstly he went around the bushes, then he went on the mountain, then he climbed the tall tree, then he also went at the bottom of the sea. But in all those places he didn't find his smile. So now what will he do? Let's see in the story. He walked through the desert in the hot sun. He could not find his smile anywhere. Now he decided to go to the desert. But over there also he didn't find his smile. You know what? It was so hot over there, but still he tried very hard. Augustus walked further and further through the sand until pitter patter, drip drop plop. Augustus चलता गया. तभी अचानक it started to rain. बारिश होने लगी. Augustus danced and raced as raindrops bounced and flew. Augustus started dancing because he was so happy. और जितनी तेजी से बारिश की बूंद ज़मीन तक आकर उछलती, उतनी ही तेज़ी से ऑगस्टस भी जंप करता और बहुत खुश होता. He splashed through puddles bigger and deeper. Puddles means small pools of rain water. जब बारिश होती है तो गड्ढों में जो पानी भर जाता है उन गड्ढों को हम puddles बोलते हैं. So he was actually playing with the water in that puddle. He raced towards a large silver blue puddle and saw there under his nose is a smile. अब वो तेज़ी से दौड़ा और एक सिल्वर ब्लू पडल की तरफ गया जो कि बहुत बड़ा था और उस गड्ढे में जैसे ही उसने अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देखा, what he saw that under his nose a smile was there, which means that his smile was always there on his face only. He did not have to swim with the fish or dance in the puddles or climb the mountain or cross the desert to find his smile. At last he came to know कि उसको इन सारी चीज़ों को करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी. ना उसको माउंटेन क्लाइंब करने की ज़रूरत थी, ना उसे पेड़ पर चढ़ने की ज़रूरत थी, ना उसे बॉटम ऑफ द सी में जाने की ज़रूरत थी और ना ही उसे डेजर्ट क्रॉस करने की ज़रूरत थी. बिकॉज उसकी स्माइल तो हमेशा उसके साथ थी. His smile was always with him. Augustus was so happy that he hopped and skipped and jumped away, smiling and ran all the way home. जैसे ही Augustus को अपनी स्माइल मिली, he was so happy and he ran towards his home. This story is adopted from Augustus and His Smile by Catherine Rayner. ये स्टोरी कहाँ से अडैप्ट की गई है? Augustus and His Smile, and who has written it? Catherine Rayner. Now what is your work for today? You all need to write these 5 difficult words in your notebook. And what are these words? First one is further, F-U-R-T-H-E-R. Augustus, O-U-G-U-S-T-U-S, Augustus. Bounced, B-O-U-N-C-E-D, bounced. Puddles, P-U-D-D-L-E-S, puddles. Skipped, S-K-I-P-P-E-D, skipped. Now what you all will do? You all will learn these difficult words and you will write it twice in your notebook. आपको इन difficult words को learn करना है और फिर इन्हें 2 बार अपनी notebook में लिखना है. I hope grade 2 you all enjoyed the chapter. Now we'll meet again in the next class and then we'll do some more thing about this chapter and we'll explore something else. Thank you grade 2.